if we'd been away and we'd come back to Mayapur, and he would be on the altar and he would slam the thing on our ears, and he would say, "Welcome back," and like I've got big ears, so like they would really press, and then he would laugh. Like he was so much fun. And we lived in a lot of houses in Mayapur, and he came to every single house and had prasadam. And when I was a kid, they would sit and eat prasadam and they would stay for hours. It wasn't like they would just come for prasadam and leave. And they would play pillow fights with us. And I was really small, I was maybe 8 or 9, and they would take us down the Ganga on our backs. So they, especially Pankajanghri Prabhu, really loved the kids, and he was so much fun. One fond memory I remember with Pankajanghri Prabhu, I was playing around after an abhishek, and in Mayapur the abhishek water would go into like a large rubbish bin, and if anyone's seen after an abhishek, there's about a big thick layer of ghee on the top of the abhishek water, and Pankajanghri Prabhu said to me, "Oh, now it's your time for the abhishek," and grabbed me by the feet and dipped me up to my waist in the abhishek water, and I was covered in ghee. Anyway, that's all I had to say. Pankajanghri Prabhu was a lot of fun.